Hello and welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we talked about the effect that sugar has on your body. Today, we will help you to cut sugar from your diet. Sugar addiction is real and breaking up with sugar can be a challenge. But the good news is that it's possible, and there are ways to make the transition easier. In this video, we'll share 7 ways to help you stop eating sugar and kick your sugar addiction for good. One of the easiest ways to reduce your sugar intake is to read food labels. Be mindful of the amount of added sugar in the foods you eat and avoid those that contain high levels of sugar. Look for hidden sources of sugar, such as corn syrup, dextrose, and fructose, and avoid them as much as possible. Planning your meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and reduce your reliance on sugary snacks. Include a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to keep your body fueled and satisfied. Instead of reaching for sugary snacks, find sugar-free alternatives that you enjoy. Nuts, fruits, and seeds are great alternatives to sugary snacks and can help satisfy your sweet cravings. Drinking more water can help reduce your sugar cravings and keep you hydrated. Try carrying a water bottle with you throughout the day and aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Lack of sleep can lead to increased sugar cravings and poor food choices. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to reduce your cravings and improve your overall health. Regular exercise can help reduce your sugar cravings and improve your overall health. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day. Breaking up with sugar can be challenging, so seek support from friends, family, or a professional. A support system can provide you with the encouragement and accountability you need to stay on track and achieve your goals. In conclusion, breaking up with sugar is possible, and by following these tips, you can reduce your sugar intake, improve your health, and feel better than ever before. See you in the next video where we will be sharing more helpful tips on healthy eating. Bye for now.